Hello, welcome to this video of the Toyota Aygo. This is the September 2015 1 litre petrol. It's a zero tax year model, and it is in by far the best colour combination available in this lovely little car. So it is the metallic blue. So this vehicle, as you've already read, it has had a insurance claim against it, which was a non-structural damage, which was this corner here. So it had a replacement wing and this little plastic bit here. So that's all it was. So light damage, category N means a not structural. Cat S is the structural one, which is the heavy one. This is the light one. Okay, let's get straight into the action. The condition of the vehicle. You can see it's a good repair, everything looks great. There's nothing really that sticks out at you at all. Alloy wheel is very, very clean. All the tyres are good. As you've seen in the photos, 100 photos of every vehicle. That big mirror, immaculate as well. All the pillar there, really shiny. That's gloss black pillar there, and then this is the metallic black roof. So that's actually a metallic black paint on that roof. Windscreen very clean. It is the Toyota windscreen as well, the original windscreen. No chips or cracks on that windscreen. Bumper very clean. Headlight very clean as well. It's got the daytime running lights, the LEDs at the bottom. Original Toyota number plates from the Toyota dealer, pink stones. That's Stoke-on-Trent. This vehicle was from Stoke-on-Trent area. The vehicle has had a full machine polish as well, so the paintwork is immaculate. There's no tar spots anywhere at all. No dents either. There's no car park dents, so in very good condition. See no scratches around the door handle area at all. So all immaculate. Factory rear tinted glass as well, so the glass on the rear is factory tinted. So all the tyres are really good. All the lights are nice and clear as well, and even the rear glass has been machine polished as well, because it's so dark. That glass, that's also been machine polished as well. You can see it's absolutely immaculate. It's also got the gloss black diffuser down here as well. That's immaculate. The number plates were actually taken off as well. There as well. I saw the our detailer took the number plates off there, replaced the screw caps as well with brand new ones. So very well prepared. Nothing at all, totally unmarked. Even the matte black door pillars there, immaculate. And the roof, absolutely spotless. Okay, let's start from the rear. Open the rear. Parcel shelf is there, the strings are attached. Split fold rear seats, 50-50, nice and clean, no scratches on the back of the seats. Carpet's very clean, no signs of any dog hairs. or any grease or anything like that out of the ordinary. Inside this is standard, it has got the tyre inflation kit, so this one, they all come standard with the tyre inflation kit, so you've got that there, the foam and the little tow hook all down there. Well, that's nice and clean as well, so that's not been scratched at all. And the top of the bumper as well, very, very clean. Doesn't smell of dogs, doesn't smell of smoke. Rear doors, very interesting. So the rear windows do open with these poppers here. So they just pop open like so. That's how the rear windows open. So quite good if you've got kids. They can't jump out or throw things out. All very clean down here as well. Doesn't look like anyone's ever sat in the back of this, to be fair. You'll find that these cars are usually first time drivers or very old people what use these cars, so either the young or the old. So look, that rear seat is immaculate. It has got the ISOFIX anchoring points as well. It's got the fitted carpets as well there. Everything's nice and clean, back of the seats immaculate as well. And the door shuts are nice and clean as well. This door, all that interior this side obviously is clean. Just check the door shuts out, absolutely immaculate, no trap seat belt marks or damage or scratches on the plastic either. The door cards are nice and clean. Like I said before, factory tinted glass, so it's not this plastic film that you can scratch off it. You can't scratch that, it's in the glass, so it's tinted in the glass. All very clean electric front windows, of course. All colour coded panels and doors. And the dash there, the high gloss colour coded dash. There is an airbag on and off button on this, so you can have a child seat in the front. Passenger's front seat, very, very clean. Absolutely immaculate. Fitted carpet as well. And all this area here is immaculate. No scratches on the plastic at all or on that sill. Driver's door, once again immaculate, nothing out of the ordinary at all. Electric window switches there. Pedals exceptionally clean. To lift up the carpet, up under here, immaculate as well, not worn at all. Put this carpet back in. This has got the clips as well, which I'll clip back in. Then that area there, same again, immaculate. Nothing at all. Driver's seat, once again exceptional condition, very clean. No rips, no tears, no sagging bolsters at all. It's also got the height adjustment as well for the seat. And the steering wheel here, you can see it's the high gloss black trim there. Got electric mirrors, traction control, petrol release flap is there. Sat nav is standard, this one, so it's got sat nav. And obviously put it into reverse, we've got the reverse camera as well. And we've also got air conditioning. That's the air conditioning clicking in. Air conditioning does work as well, we've tried it, so it's nice and cold, the air conditioning. And then down here you've also got the USB and the aux input port and a 12-volt charger. Drinks holders there, nice and clean. 5-speed of course, because it's obviously not a very fast vehicle. I think the top speed's about 95 miles per hour, but it's more than the speed limit, so that's enough. So there's no need for 6-speed on this. All this is nice and clean down here as well, so you've got the drinks holder, handbrake lever. Then you've got here, you've got the mode button, volume button, and the answer the phone button as well. Today's mileage, 51,000 miles. Let's got 2 bars of fuel in, so it's got just over a quarter of a tank of fuel as well. It's got a rev counter down there on the left as well, and obviously it's got a little flasher up there to tell you to change up gear as well. On this screen here, if we press the what we've got DAB radio, which is always a bonus. We've got the usual stuff like Bluetooth, of course, and you can play your music through the phone as well. And then you've got the temperature, etc. So everything is there. So lots of little bits and bobs. High gloss black trim there, unmarked, not scratched at all. Got a glove box here, and you've got the locking wheel nut set as well. So the alloy wheel locking wheel set's there as well. We've got the MOT and service documents there as well. Then we've got, I'm sure, look, you can see there, that's the airbag on and off button. Then you've got the tyre inflation reset button there as well. I'm sure there's a bottle, it's a bottle cooler that. Can't remember how it works. I think you open that flap and you put a bottle in there and it cools with the air conditioning. So quite funky little car, quirky as well. So I'm going to pop the bonnet now, which is under here. That's the bonnet pull. I'm going to switch the engine off, look under the engine compartment. I'll try and do this with one hand. Right. Okay. So under here, very tidy. Engine is very clean. The battery looks a bit lost there, but that is the standard battery. There's all that space there, but that's a standard battery for the 1 litre. I think that battery holder there, they're all made the same. This is for the bigger engine. So some of these have I think they have a 1.5 diesel, and that's why they've got that little empty space there. So that's the tall Japanese battery, we call it. So we've looked down there, all the clips are in place. No clips are missing down here. Everything's nice and straight. This side as well, it's nice and straight. I believe it's had a replacement headlight as well on here, so it must have cracked that lug when it obviously damaged that wing. You can see the serial number there on that one, and it's a new headlight, that one. This one's different, look, there's not no serial number on that one, so this might be obviously one they've bought to replace that. So it's replaced that wing, this panel there, and that headlight. There's no structural damage. And all up here as well, that looks like the original bonnet. Okay, so on top of that, this vehicle comes with 1 year warranty as well, with a company called Warranty Wise, which is UK's largest warranty company. It also includes 1 year breakdown cover as well, and that's European. So even if you drive to France, Germany, Spain and you break down, you are covered. And on top of that, if in the event that they can't recover you, they'll even pay for a hotel room for the night. So that's how good the warranty is. So it's the best one. It's a platinum one, platinum, so it's better than the gold. And best thing about this vehicle, as you already read, is 0 tax. So no tax to pay, and the maximum miles per gallon is 78. I think the minimum is about 60, 65. So yeah, talk about being economical. This is a really good car, great colour as well, and obviously will last you years to come. I still see the original Toyota Aygos, which started on a 05 or 06 plate. They're still going. They're still going. So, you know, if anything like that, this will be still going in 10 years' time, this one. So great value motoring, 0 tax, great looking, best colour, best colour. If you've got any more questions, please drop us a line. Do not hesitate to ask. Pop down for a test drive, any inspection welcome. So if you want to bring a mechanic to have a look at the quality of the repair, you can do. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed the video.